Hey folks, it's Russ. Today is Saturday, February 8th, 2025. I hope you're doing well. In this video, I thought I'd talk to you about how you can build a profitable business in 7 days or less. I'm going to show you talk to you about exactly what I do and how you can do the same thing and get results if you're willing to take action, show up each day, and stay consistent, okay? Now, if you've never seen any of my videos before, my name's Russ. I've been involved in the work from home space for the last 18 years. I've been fortunate enough to be working full-time for myself since 2018, and I am super passionate about helping other people make money online. So I do this kind of a hybrid marketing, okay? I do online marketing, obviously, like I make these videos, and I focus on Facebook and YouTube. Those are the only two social media platforms that I focus on when it comes to online marketing. There's a couple other places online where I share my opportunities. And then I also use direct mail. This direct mail is a super overlooked way to market. Okay, a lot of people don't use it anymore because they don't think it works. But I can tell you that it works 100% if you work it. All right, direct mail opportunity, in my opinion, is far better than email marketing. All right, because you're going to get higher conversions. So the average email conversion rate is 1 to 2%, whereas the average direct mail conversion rate is 4 to 9%. All right, and so when you do what I do and you combine the two, online and offline marketing, it's just a winning combination. Okay, because we all know that making money online or working from home, you need eyeballs on your opportunities. And the more eyeballs you get on your opportunities equates to more leads, and the more leads you have equates to more sales. Okay? So the first thing you want to do is you want to find something that you're truly passionate about, whatever niche it is in, okay? So if you like to hike, find a product or service that involves hiking. If you like to play golf, find a service or product that involves golf. If you want to teach other people how to make money online, find a product or service that will help other people make money online. And then you want to go and share that opportunity. You want to be passionate about the product or service that you're sharing with other people. All right? Because people join people. They want to like, know, and trust somebody that they're joining. Okay? And they'll be able to tell you if you're passionate about what it is you're doing or not. So find something that you're really passionate about, a product or service, and then learn how to market that, okay? And the way that I teach everybody the same thing. Some of my videos, sometimes people say my videos are repetitive. Well, they are repetitive because I'm showing you exactly what I do to have success online. I'm showing you every day what I do to get results every week. And when you join me in any opportunity, you're going to get my resource page with over 80 different places where you can share your opportunities. You're going to get the letter template that I use to send out in my direct mail pieces, and you're going to get my contact information so you can reach out to me anytime you have any questions or need any assistance. All right, I'm really going to take you by the hand and show you exactly what I do, but you have to be committed and show up every day, take massive action, and stay consistent, okay? So if you can do that, you can make this work. And what I do is I get a domain name. You can buy a domain name for super cheap. All right. Well, first of all, you want to find your product or service. Once you have your product or service, we're going to set up a system for you. All right. And that system is going to be what does all the selling and telling for you, so that your sole job will be to drive traffic over to your system. All right, what I do is I have a domain name, joinruss.com, and this takes people over to my Linktree page that has all of my opportunities that I'm involved with. So then people can go over there and then they can decide for themselves if any of my programs resonate with them. And some people come into this opportunity, they join all opportunities that I'm a part of. Some just join 1 or 2 opportunities, all right? Some join none. It's not for everybody. But if you're already in business for yourself, if you already have an opportunity that you're sharing with other people, you can still join me in my direct mail programs, okay? And then I will show you how you can get double the eyeballs on your opportunity by mailing out letters. All right, because what happens is when you join my direct mail opportunities, all right, these are postcard opportunities where you send out postcards, but the product that you're getting is leads, all right? And these leads are opportunity-seeking leads. So these are people who are requesting more information on how to supplement or replace their income with a work-from-home opportunity. They're looking for ways to make money from home. So what I do is I take the letters, and inside the letters I include the postcards, I include drop cards for my other couple programs I'm involved with, and then I put in my business card. And this business card goes to all my products and services that I offer, including my coaching. Okay? It allows people to connect with me on Facebook and YouTube. They can reach out to me. There's a contact form now. People can reach out to me with any questions they have. And when you start doing this marketing method that I do, both online and offline, you're going to see your conversion rates go up. You can build a profitable business in 7 days or less doing what I'm doing. All right. And like I said, if you don't have any opportunities that you're involved with and you're looking for one, go to joinruss.com. The top 2 opportunities where it says USA Business Opportunity, those are my direct mail opportunities. Those are my postcard opportunities. All right. You want to join one of those or both of them. All right. You just get in where you fit in. But you're going to get postcards to mail out. With these postcards, you're going to get leads, okay? And that's the important part. You're going to get leads. That's the product. We're using these leads to share the postcard opportunities, the direct mail leads, and then you can put in your other opportunities if you're part of other opportunities. And if you're not, start sharing these postcards. And when you start making commissions, you reinvest them back into your postcard business, double the amount of postcards you're sending out. Maybe find another product or service that you're interested in that you can include in a letter with your postcard. And before long, if you show up every day, take massive action, and stay consistent, before long, you can have a profitable business, okay? I can't guarantee you're going to make any money with these opportunities because I don't know your work ethic, and it's all based around your work ethic. But I can tell you from experience that the people that I work with who take massive action, they're the money makers. The action takers are the money makers, okay? Like I say in all my videos, if you treat this like a business, you're going to get business pay. If you treat it like a hobby, you're going to get hobby pay. And if you do what most people do and they sign up and take 0 action, you're going to get 0 results, okay? So just understand that. This isn't get rich overnight. This is a way that you can build a profitable business in 7 days or less, all right? Because when you join me in my opportunities, I'm going to send you the roadmap. Everything that I do, you're going to learn exactly what I do. All right, the places that I share my opportunity online, how to build your Facebook and YouTube the right way, the letter template that I mail out, my contact information, everything you need to be successful. The only thing that you need to do is commit to it and show up each day and stay consistent. All right? So if you have any questions about any of this, reach out to me. I'm here to help you out. It's my true passion to help people make money online. I love it. There's nothing better than having time freedom, folks, okay? Now, we all know that health is true wealth. You have to have your health. And if you have your health and you have time freedom, life doesn't get any better because you're going to be able to do what you want, when you want, for as long as you want, and never worry about cash flow, okay? I'll put a link down below to my previous video that I did last night. It's going to show you that I made a commission while I was getting... This truck I'm sitting in was at the dealership getting the tires rotated, and I had a commission come in. When I got home, I had a check in the mailbox. I might have a couple checks in the mail today, but if you do what I do, you will get results, okay? And I have all kinds of payment proof on my Facebook page. I have payment proof videos on my YouTube channel. Check it out. It works if you work it. Okay, so I appreciate you taking the time to watch this. I hope you have a great rest of your day wherever you are, and I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Until then, stay well, be safe, and peace be with you. Thanks for watching.